In this video, we will talk about immediately focus on the light version of the Galaxy S10 called Samsung Galaxy S10 Lite. The S10 Lite model turned out to be interesting, but to say that this device will become a bestseller or not is extremely difficult. We do not have a reference point for such an apparatus, be it the flagship of the A series, and I would not have doubts about how it will be sold. But since this is a new positioning, a new model that has never existed in the Samsung model line, there is lot of obscurities here. Let's take a look at the device and evaluate its capabilities. Samsung flagships are more or less easy to recognize, but like other models, it's recognizable on the back panel, color scheme, camera unit design. In S10 Lite, I have a black color, but we will see two more different colors, blue and white. The size of the smartphone is similar to the S10 Plus. It is 162.5 by 75.6 by 8.1 mm, weight 186 grams. The original S10 Plus is even a little smaller, but in everyday life, it is not felt. It is quite another matter how the case is made. The gloss covering the S10 Lite resembles plastic. Partly, it is a matter of design and dull sound that the case makes when tapped. In many ways, flagships are feeling from the materials, how they feel in the hands. Here the device is similar to the A series, good, high quality performance, but there is no feeling of the high cost. Look at the camera unit, it is very different from the current flagships. Rather, it is an A series, for example, A51, a protruding rectangular block. It does not interfere with the carrying of the device in your pocket, but it does not look very fit into the device. Not as scary as on the 11th iPhone, but far from elegant. On the left side, there is a slot for nano SIM cards as well as a memory card. It is not combined. It is impossible to use memory card and two SIM cards at the same time. On the right side, there is a paired volume control key as well as an on-off button. At the bottom, there is a speaker as well as a USB-C connector. Microphones are located on two sides. The noise reduction system works very well. Surprisingly, the device does not have a 3.5 mm jack, although it is available in both S10 and Note 10 Lite. This movement genuinely surprised me, since in this segment you could leave such a connector, but alas, off. They refused him. The device also lacks protection against water. It is not worth dropping into the water. Otherwise, there are no differences from other smartphones from Samsung. Good build, quality materials. Let's talk about display. Specifications are flawless 6.7 inches, 1080 by 2400 pixels, 20 by 9 aspect ratio, Super AMOLED, 3.92 ppi pixel density, automatic brightness control, always on display, Corning Gorilla Glass 5. The screen does not have any bands. It's an ordinary, flat matrix. The oleophobic coating is good. There is nothing to complain about. The front camera is inscribed on the screen. This is an O-shaped neckline, the same as in the flagships. Please note that always on display is fully supported here, which is nice for a device of this level. Let's talk about battery. The S10 Lite has a 4500 mAh battery. The device has energy saving mode, in which you can arrange the work of the smartphones in such a way as to maximize their operating time. It can literally increase significantly. Fast battery charging at 15 watts, full charge time 95 minutes, while 50% of the charge you get in 20 minutes. Unfortunately, the device refused wireless charging. It simply does not exist. Let's talk about memory, chipset and performance. The device uses the Qualcomm Snapdragon 855 chipset. This is different from the older models, where Exynos comes for other smartphone market. It's simply impossible to say that there are any lags in the UI. Everything flies. The interface is very smooth and pleasant. Third-party programs also run without delay any visually. Everything is perfect in speed. The memory is here 6GB and 128GB, which is slightly less than what the S10 Plus offers. It has 8GB of RAM. Let's talk about camera. The front camera has the following parameters: 32 megapixel f2.2. The main camera has several modules: a 48 megapixels quad bare matrix, 77 degrees, optical video super stabilization, f2.0, plus 12 megapixel f2.2, wide angle viewing angle 123 degrees, 5 megapixel camera for macro photography. That's it for now. For more updates, please subscribe to our channel Science and Knowledge. Until the next video, take care yourself very well. Peace out.